How to install programs in Windows 10. Now let's get started. First of all, in your Windows or in your laptop, head over to the search bar. From the search bar, you have to simply search for settings. Now, once you land on your settings page, navigate to your left hand side on this interface, and on this menu bar, there is an option as apps. So simply click on apps. Now from here, what you have to do is again click on installed apps, and here you will be able to view all your programs or applications installed in your Windows. Now head over to the application that you would like to install. Suppose I want to install this application that says Auto Hotkey in my laptop or Windows. So navigate to that application, and on that very application, you will find three dots icon. So click on that, and from this drop down box, there you get an option as Uninstall. Click on Uninstall, and then again click on Uninstall. Now for your confirmation again, it will ask whether you want to allow this program from any online publisher to make changes to your device. So without any further ado, just click on yes. If you have any kind of version, it will just ask you which version, then simply click on remove all, and with that the application get uninstalled and removed from your Windows. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.